We have created the law curve function. And we have created a function to visualize the law curve. Now let's generate the roof. We will be creating a series of cross-sectional arcs before lofting them to create a shell. The function will be created from a copy of the visualization function as they share a similar structure. The function will return a list of arcs, each created individually on the y-plane. We will use the inline expression to make the plane. The plane make function accepts an origin, and the new x and y vectors. They are the y and z vectors in the global environment. Now that we have the plane, we can generate the arcs. The radius of each cross-sectional arc is the same as the y-value used to define the law polyline. Now we add the function to generate position in an arc pattern. And the function to make a polyline. For the arc pattern, the origin will be the plane. This will ensure that the arc pattern is positioned and orientated correctly. Next, we create a polyline through the arc positions. Let's execute and see what happens. Here you can see a regular series of arcs. The radius range needs to be positive. Finally, we loft the arcs to generate the surface. Here you see the surface that gets generated. It is a series of polygons connecting to all the arcs. See you in the next video.